thank you for joining. To those who have joined, thank you so much for joining in on time. And our team was unaware that you had lectures till 4:30. If we knew before, we would have definitely altered the timings for you. But now, as we don't have any other option, we'll start the info session and we'll record it. And for those who aren't now, we'll share the recording with you. The recording will be uploaded on our YouTube channel so others can watch it over there. So today's session is all about the introduction to coding competitions at Google. The coding competitions like KickStart and HashCode. So these competitions a chance to stand out from the crowd in the field of competitive programming. Like if you have performed good in these competitions, it definitely adds to your resume and helps you stand out. And are framed in such a way that they sharpen skills and help you gain a lot of knowledge. And those who perform really well in these competitions also get a call from Google for the opportunity to intern at Google. So it's definitely a great opportunity for first, second, third, and fourth year students. So everyone should participate in this. And to give you a brief about the coding competitions like HashCode and KickStart, we have Harshal, who is also the competitive programming lead at GDSC. He'll be guiding you through the rules and how you can participate, how you can make your coding better and do good in the competitions. He'll let you know about it. And then at last, we have a surprise that is goodies reveal for solution challenge. So please stay tuned till that time. And after that, we have one more surprise which we'll be letting you know at the end. So first of all, we'll be starting with HashCode and Kickstart. So over to you, Harshal.
So, yes, hello, my name is Harshal Ramda. I'm a DSSCP lead at GDSC AISSMS IOIT. So, today we'll be talking about the competitions that Google conducts, which are totally based on your problem solving skills. So, let me share my screen first. Uh, it should be visible now. Can you just confirm it, Pratha?
Yes, it is visible, Harshal.
So this is the official Google site, which you can see there are three competitions which Google hosts in every year. So they are namely like HashCode, CodeJam, and Kickstarts. So out of which registration for HashCode and Kickstart are already open. So today we are going to talk about these two competitions only. So we'll just start with the HashCode. So HashCode is a problem solving competition where you will be given a problem. You have to give the solution for it, and it is totally based on the optimization. So the competition will be for 4 years, and there are only two rounds for this. First will be qualification round, and then those who are gets qualified in this round, they can join the world finals. So yes, so this competition is totally based on the team based competition, and you have to form the groups of 2 to 4 members for this competition. Let's see how it works. So you can compete for this competition on the official site for HashCode. This is 4 hours of competition where you have to optimize the given problem based on the uh, based on the programming language uh, uh, that you are friendly with. So the uh, just 1 second. For this, you can also join the virtual hub, our college have also the virtual club for this. The top teams in this qualification rounds will be invited for the world finals. So where they will together work to solve the challenge which is given, and for the world finals there will be cash prizes also. So let's talk about the prizes that you will be getting. So the for world finalists, there are cash prizes for top three places. which will be like $4,000, 2,000 and $1,000 respectively. Also, there will be goodies for those who can make made up to the world finals. These goodies are totally based on the Google's choice. That will be Google branded objects or products. Also, for anyone co- who will be scoring at least 1 point during qualification round or world finalists, they can receive the downloadable certificate, and that from the HashCode's own website only. Then about the judging criteria for this competition. So you will be competing on the Google HashCodes platform. So the score that will be getting, it will be like every solution. There will not be like solution accepted or rejected. You will be getting score for your submission. It will be from 0 to 100, and the more you get score, the better will be your solution, and you have to work on to optimize that solution only. So there's Google's automated scoring function for this competitive platform. Also, there will be a Google's engineers a team which will be checking your solutions and cross checking the that you have submitted the uh, correct solution, and that is not copied from somewhere on the Google. So timeline for this contest. So the registration for contests are open now, and you can also practice problems on the sites, which will be seeing in some time. Also, the qualification round is on the 24th of February, and those who are get qualified for the world finals, so that result will be notified on the 3rd March, and the world finals will be on the April 30th. So there are only 2 rounds for this hash code competition, and the structure for the world finals will be notified like 30 days before the contest. So the virtual hubs. So what are the virtual hubs? So hubs are the participant organized groups of hashcode teams that are affiliated with university, office, or organizations. So they are designed to allow you to connect to local developer communities. Uh, you have to form team to 2 to 4 people. So this joining hub is optional, total optional, but it is a very great way to connect to peers and grow your coding skills. So our GDSC AISSMS IOIT also has a hub which you can join through a Telegram group, where we'll be discussing about the problems and the solutions for that, and how you can approach a given problem. So before going to FAQs, we will see the HashCode's website. Okay, so this is the official HashCode's website, where you will get every information about the HashCode and its schedule. So this is the landing page, which is just introduction about HashCode and how it works. You can see schedule for that. Uh, So here is the practice round is ongoing. This is ongoing round. You can practice at this. Then there's qualification round, which is on 24th. You can participate through this site only. There will be option to participate. So let's see. So this will be the format of the problems. You have to open the problem, and you will see there are some uh, uh, there is the problem description here, the title of the problem. You need to go through it. Then there will be input format and input data. So these are given to you. You can analyze these test cases, uh, and then you can give the solution. And each test case you can submit uh, the number of solutions for that, and there is no limit to submit the solution. Uh, so this will be the format only, and you can code in your local ID, or the software you are friendly with, and you can just submit the source code file into this platform. uh, So here in the team section, you have to create a team for you. You will be needed to give the team name, and you can choose the hub for it. You have to form a team of minimum 2 members and maximum 4 members. Uh, so when you create team, your page will look like this. Here will be the members of your team, the team name, and hub. So you can see there's a hub for AISSMS IOIT. Also, there are rules given for the contest, so FAQs, which if you have some doubt, you can check this. Uh, there are uh, there are solution for every problem, and if you have problem which is not in this, you can contact for HashCode. In the archive section, you can check the problems which are given here. You can see those, and you can also practice these problems for the hash code competition. uh, so the next competition which Google host is a Kickstart. So what is Kickstart and how it is different from HashCode? So Kickstart offers coders around world chance to develop and hone their programming skills through online hosted competition rounds. So this is 3 hour round featured variety of algorithmic challenges, all developed by Google's engineer, so that you get taste of the technical skills needed for your career. So in the hash code, you will be given a problem. You have to write solution, and then you have to optimize that solution. And based on that, you will get score. But in the Kickstart, you have to submit problems solution, which will you are getting totally like a problem is accepted or your solution is rejected. You don't have to optimize. Uh, you have to submit the solution which will be optimized or correct according to the given constant to you. So this so Kickstarts actually runs all over the year. There will be multiple rounds you can participate into them. So and for each round that is open for all participants. Once you register for Kickstart, you can participate into any round throughout the year, and there is no pre-qualification needed. So you can try your hands at one or give all the rounds. And if you are looking for some extra practice, you can try the midday, multi-day practice sessions, which will be conducted between the rounds, and also you can practice on the Kickstart's official websites. Or so let's see how it works. So you have to first register for Kickstart's competition. We'll be seeing the registration process also. So when the round is open, the 3 hours countdown begins, and you will have to complete the problems which will be algorithmic or mathematical problems. There will be 4 problems given to you. You have to complete them into 3 hours. So following the round, you can check your rankings and round analysis. And if you are in the top competitors, you may contacted by Google for chance to have interview. So you can get an internship through it also. So the registration for Kickstart's 2022. So it is like open from February 1, and it will be opened throughout the year till November 2020, November 12th November 2022. So you can register anytime between this, and this is the timeline for Kickstart. So you can see there will be practice sessions. There are 3 practice sessions which are multi-days, 4 days. Uh, Now it will be starting from Feb 14, so you can start practicing. There will be 8 rounds throughout the year. You can register, you can participate to any round, and there is no condition like you have to participate the round A, then only you can participate for round B. So you can participate into any round. So these are some FAQs related to Kickstarts. So first is will I receive Kickstart certificates and when they are given out. So once you register for Kickstart and you participate into a round, as long as you make submission, you can get certificate, and that certificate will be automatically update after each round you participate into, and you can download that certificate from the Kickstart's website only. So second is how can I practice? So the on archives page you can access the Kickstart's past problems and submit solution in the practice mode. Uh, and both your practice and competitive submissions can be found at the top of each problem page. Next is related to registration. What if you are not able to sign in to register? So you can try clearing your caches. And you have to enable third-party cookies as this website uses it, and without that you cannot access the registration. And other than that, you can try using incognito browser window. So which topics you should study for to be participate, that you can solve the problems. So Kickstart's problems will be mathematical based or like algorithmic based. For that you have to be familiar with one language. You can choose any language, but most of the people will recommend you C++. You have to learn data structures. You can practice problems of arrays and sets. uh, and then you need knowledge of time complexity, how it works, some basic algorithms like breadth first search and depth first search. You can learn some graph algorithms like shortest path algorithms, then binary search, graded algorithms, dynamic programming. These all you can see and you can practice them. So some common data structures like binary search tree, priority queue, hash tables will be very helpful through it. So, and what mathematical topics you have to practice. So they recommend you to brushing up your basic number theory, example prime factorization, greatest common denominators, and all. You can also learn the combinatorics, permutation of combinations, probability, and that this should be sufficient for you. You can also check out the CP algorithms website, which has all given at one place only. So to get better at this algorithmic problem solving, you can you can learn dynamic programming. You have to practice more on these topics: dynamic programming, breadth first search, divide and conquer, and also be familiar with the data structures like primary keys. While practicing, you will be encountered the errors like integer overflow, stack overflow. So you have to be aware of these errors and how to avoid them. So let's see the registration process. To register in the both contest, you have to first create your profile if you haven't. So to, whenever as you go on this any website, you will be have option to register, and after clicking that register option, you will be getting this pop-up to create your profile. For that you will needed some you have to put some information like your username, location, and personal info. There will be you have to enter your first name, last name, location, gender, race of ethnicity, then preferred coding language. There will be multiple coding language. You can select anyone that you are familiar with. Then your professional status, you can add student. University, you can add Savitribai Phule Pune University. Area of study, the branch, you can select your own branch from this. Degree of person, you can select bachelor's. Graduating month August, and graduating year, the year you will be graduating from your bachelor's degree. Then you can add link to your resume and LinkedIn profile, but that is optional. It depends on you. Also there it will be asking that if you like to receive Google prizes, if you are eligible, you can select it. Then name of recipient, and you have to add address to which you will be receiving those prizes. uh, this will be some personal info. Then so after that, once you created your profile, you can go to the registration page. So here you have to enter your username, your country, and professional status. You can update your profile also on this page. There will be rules, yeah, and the terms and conditions. You can read them, and once you click on the agree, you can register on this profile. The for Once you created your profile, you don't have to create again for HashCode. You have to just register for it. Um, so we will see the FAQs for the HashCode. So, so the registration process for Kickstart and HashCode is same. You may have a question that if you don't have participants, how you can get them. You can talk to your friends if they are interested. Other than that, you can check out the Google's HashCode's Facebook group, where there will be you can find teammates who may be looking for others, and you can form a team there also. So the eligibility criteria for this contest, you have to at least be 16 years old, and there are no such more criterias like such, and there will be no registration fee also. So this was about the basic things that you need to know. We'll see the Kickstart's website. So it's like same to HashCodes. There is like about page where you can see information about Kickstarts. Then in the schedule page, you can see the timeline of that, and from this only you can participate into contests. So these are 3 hours contests, as you can see, and the rounds. There is FAQ page where you can see if you have any doubt. You can see also there is a rules page. So the rules for contest are given here. In the archive sections, you can see the problems that are uh, like previous year problems you can see, and here only you can practice it. So this is the structure of the competition. There will be given problems. You can open the problems in the below. These are the scores for the problems. uh, then there's a penalty time. So the penalty time is the time when you start the contest. The after first solution and time between the last solution will be your penalty time. So as you open the problem, there will be problem statement given to you, input format, output format, and there will be constants, and there will be sample input and output. Here only you can write your code, or you can also upload the file. You can see there are many languages that are that you can choose from. So this is like this is simple structure. You can see you have 3 hours for each uh, 3 hours for each round, and you have to submit 4 questions through it. So this was about HashCode. Uh, Prathana, can you send the links for the same into chat box?
I have already sent them, Marshall.
Okay. So yeah, this was like basic introduction about the both contest. If you have any queries or something, you can ask into chat box.
Yeah, and I also wanted to point out a few things. So while you register, make sure that you add your resume and your LinkedIn profile, because in case you perform very good and you get selected for interviewing for internships, so your resume and LinkedIn profile will definitely add a plus point. So make sure you submit those, like updated resume and updated LinkedIn profile. And apart from this, if you don't have teammates for HashCode, you can reach out to us on the Telegram hub. Link is already shared in the chat box, and you'll also get the link on the HashCode official page when you browse through hubs. So you can reach out to us on Telegram group for any problem that you're facing, if you need any teammates or anything else. And yeah, apart from this, like for Kickstart and HashCode, Harshal just now mentioned many topics that you need to prepare. But if you are a beginner, don't ahead, like just having a basic analytical thinking, like logical thinking, logics and maths knowledge will be enough to solve at least 1 2 problems. You can at least get started, and then further, if you need, you can revise the difficult topics and try solving them, but don't get motivated if you aren't able to solve the problems of advanced topics. You will be able to solve it gradually as you learn it. And yes, I had one more thing to say. While registering for HashCode, make sure that your preferred language is same as the preferred of your teammate. Like if my preferred language is C++, so my teammate's language should also be C++. Am I right, Harshal?
Yes. Also,
If you have,
we will be sharing content to you, so don't worry. If you are just beginner, we'll be helping throughout year for like Kickstart and HashCode also.
yes. So basically, this will brush up your coding skills. So do participate. Like if you have any doubts, you can put it in the chat box. Else, we will move to the goodies reveal of solution challenge.
Yes, I think we can move to goodies review.
All right, let me share my screen. I think nobody has any doubts as of now. Is my screen visible?
Yes, it's visible.
Okay, so it's time to reveal the goodies for solution challenge. So yes, day before yesterday when we had our info session, we already declared all the prizes that you will be getting at the global level. But to encourage members, the students of our community, that is the community of GDSC AISSMS IOIT, we have arranged some special prizes and goodies for you all, so that you get motivated to build upon your ideas. Move like and also the conditions for earning goodies will be shared with you later on for the goodies. So these are the goodies that you'll be getting: branded t-shirts from Google, and there can be more. So make sure you work on your idea very well. You put in all the efforts to build upon your ideas. And okay, I can give you a hint. So the best ideas from our campus, best ideas registered, and the winners of technical workshop quizzes and mini projects will be getting the goodies. We'll share more details later on, but make sure to attend all the technical workshops, to participate in the sprint, and of course, make sure you build your ideas, and encourage your teammates also to work equally, working hard to build upon the ideas, because it is a good opportunity. We had discussed about it before yesterday. You can also get the recording from the event page if you haven't attended the event. So these will be the goodies that our GDSC will be providing you with. We'll share all the details later on the group itself, and you'll also get it on the WhatsApp groups. But most of the communication for solution challenge and hashcode will be done on the Telegram group. The link has been shared in the chat box. I can share it again. Harshal, can you share it again? Okay. So yeah, that was the goodie reveal for solution challenge. I hope all of you are excited. Okay, now let's move to the next surprise that we were going to actually declare today, but we were running out of time, so we kept it for today. We are really excited and very proud and very glad to announce that we are about to complete 6 months of our GDSC AISSMS IOIT. So this was the very first time that we had a Google Developer Student Clubs at our own campus, and community is doing great. You all are participating with full enthusiasm, and even the core team is putting in all the efforts to bring out great stuff, great content for you. We have successfully completed 30 days of Google Cloud program and Developer Hacks 21 workshops on GitHub and Heroku, and now we are also going to conduct various technical workshops. we are about to start the solution challenge, HashCode, KickStart, and there is a lot more to come up in next 6 months. So to celebrate the success of our 6 months, our web team, our GDSC is going to launch its very own website. To have very interesting stuff. So maybe a glimpse or a hint of the website here. This is the home page. So yeah, the website will be released when we complete our 6 months. So we'll be releasing the website. We'll be launching it in a few days. So that was the. Are you guys excited? Let us know in the chat. And it is just not about the information related to the club. It has got a lot of interesting stuff. You can maybe see in the navigation bar and get hints upon it. It has got various resources that can help you gain knowledge, skills, and there's a lot of stuff. So yeah, wait till the website is launched. Yeah, that was it for the info session. If you have any doubts, you can put it in the chat box. Really glad to know that you all are excited. We'll be reaching out to you soon with all the details of the info of the solution challenge, the criteria for prizes from our. So all of you are requested to join the Telegram group for solution challenge and HashCode to stay updated. If you can put it in the general chat or the Q&A. It is just beside the general chat. All right, I think there are no doubts, so we can end the session. Thank you, Harshal, for giving really good insight on HashCode and KickStart. All right, bye everyone. Thank you, Srinivas. Thank you for attending, guys. If your friends who couldn't attend have any problem, like if they have any doubts after watching the recording, please you can reach out to them. You can help them clear their doubts, or maybe ask them to reach out directly to us. And also share the Telegram hub link with your friends.